I put jelly in my toilet. The Potters don't want me to find out. I'll start today's tip by adding 100 milliliters of hot water and also 40 grams of Tutti Frutti flavored jelly inside a bowl. Let's mix well to dissolve the jelly completely. Next, I will add 50 milliliters of cold water. I'll also add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Lillian Josh Parker from Chicago. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Next, we will add 2 tablespoons of salt. Tell me if you've used baking soda and jelly before. In any home tricks, I'd love to know. Let's put some colorant on it. I'm using the color blue, but you can use the color you prefer. After I started applying this product to my toilet, I never again had to worry about bad odors in my bathroom. I'm sure you will be surprised by the final result of this recipe. We're gonna need an empty detergent bottle. With the help of scissors, I will remove the top. The bottle needs to stay that way. It's very easy to do. You'll thank me for teaching you this tip. Let's transfer our mixture into the bottle we cut. I'll cover it with a little plastic wrap and then refrigerate for 2 hours. After that time, we can remove from the refrigerator. This product will make it much easier to sanitize your toilet. I'm sure you'll love it. Look at the consistency that jelly gets after going to the refrigerator. Using a knife, we will cut into circular shapes. To continue our tip, we will need a disposable mask. With the help of scissors, I will remove one end of the mask. Even your friends will ask you where you learned this amazing trick to keep your bathroom clean. Let's put one of the pieces we cut inside the mask. Each of these pieces that we cut lasts about 2 weeks. After that, it is necessary to carry out the replacement to maintain effectiveness. Now let's put our tip inside the water tank of the toilet. Best of all is that, in addition to helping in sanitizing, this product will also perfume your bathroom, eliminating any bad smell. I'll put the mask up like this, and then close the reservoir lid. Now simply activate the flush to eliminate any impurity or bacteria from your toilet. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.